One of my favorite indicators is the THD ADX, and the reason it is one of my favorites is because it actually predicts where price will go, both on a counter trend and as far as testing a top or a bottom. So in this case, which is on the NASDAQ daily chart, you can see that we flipped the ATR and we went from red to blue. Price moved up, and I knew that it would come back to test the ATR, but I didn't know when. The ADX actually tells us when it will come back and test that ATR. So in this example, you see that we get a nice lift on the ADX. We have a nice momentum move here, and then we make this magenta dot. Notice that this is a peak, meaning it is a pointed top. That immediately tells me that the price is going to retrace at that moment to the ATR. Now, depending on the higher time frame, if the ADX is also in an upward movement like it was here, if we see that same pattern on the higher time frame, then I know that price will go and take out the previous high. So you have two instances of the ADX predicting where your price bars will go. One is when you get the dot over here, you know that it will come back to the ATR, and then as long as the higher time frame is still a bright color and rising, it will go back and exceed the previous high. So again, one of my favorite indicators when combined with the THD ATR.